Hey guys, it's Big G Money Investments and welcome back to my channel. Holy smokes, so much has happened since I posted my last video on CCIV. So should you invest in this stock? Let's see. Could this be the next Tesla akin to 2017? Could you 10x your money? I mean, let's see. This is for educational purposes only, but let's dive right into the stock right now. So CCIV has officially accounted for about $22.8 billion of capital to use, and in their projections. So this is a very handsome evaluation and really handsome backing for the company. So could this be the next trillion-dollar company akin to Tesla, you know, when you bought in 2017 if you bought? I think so. I would say a 7 out of 10 chance. So let's dive into this news right now, what happened and what you should look out for. So if there's one company I think out there that can take on Tesla akin to Nio, I think it is Lucid Motors at this point. So basically we're dealing with a $1 trillion-esque potential here with CCIV with the whole electrical vehicle revolution, which is called EV stocks. So this company is based on the EV market in the US, which is rapidly growing here in Europe and the United States. So essentially what we know what happened is the CCIV SPAC went public with Churchill. So we can kind of have a sigh of relief that the merger did happen. Thank goodness. Now we can kind of take a sigh and look at the actual numbers. I think that the chaos with all the sell-offs when we went to like 60 down to 30s is recovering now. Expect there to be more volatility, but we're back around $40 as this video stands. So right now on Tuesday, it went down around 43% at its peak, but that was after the merger where we thought the evaluation was going to be more, but in actuality, nothing's really changed. The merger has happened, and we still have $42 billion of capital potentially raised and at play for this company right now. So officially, it came in under the $15 billion mark, but we have so much long-term potential with this stock, guys. I think this is a really good stock. If you grow like a pair of really thick skin, I think you can withhold this and you can make a lot of money, but don't panic. Don't panic is not good. Buy during the fear, sell during the greediness, as they say. So this is a great opportunity, I think, right now, because number one, we have the merger down. Execution risks surrounding CCIV have kind of been eliminated around the media hype that we officially know that the merger happened. The stock could trade as a different symbol, but we will wait to see on that. And all the fundamentals are in place for this company to grow and potentially be kind of like the new Tesla, but it's got a lot of work to go, guys. Just be patient. So I think Lucid has a lot what it takes to be the next Tesla. It has so much backing by Saudi Aramco, Saudi Arabia, a lot of angel investors and a lot of new investors in the United States, around the world. The EV revolution and SPAC trading companies are here to stay. So some big things are implied ahead for CCIV stock. Lucid Motors has it all, I think. This is a huge claim, but I think this company has the talent, infrastructure, and the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, a former member of Tesla's Model S team, has so many people from Apple, Tesla, and IBM working for him, including Audi and other luxury German vehicle companies, and Ford, Intel, and even GM, like I mentioned. These are some huge brand name players that are getting involved here from talent-wise. So I think talent-wise, this company has what it takes. Talent-wise and money, the growth term for Lucid Motors is a very huge potential. Right now, I think it'd be fair if Lucid Motors, after volatility, kind of recovers to around 60 in the next few weeks or months, and eventually can maybe 10x in the next few years to around $400. I stand by that claim. There's so much hype behind this. We have so much money at play here, and the rumors are dying down. We're starting to go into facts now here. So let's zoom into the big picture here. We have financial backing. We have big team players involved. We know that the deal is public, and we have it all confirmed. Yesterday happened. If you guys lost money, I'm really upset about that. I'm sorry, but just stick to the path. Be patient. I think things will recover a little bit after some volatility. So, you know, it's normal for gut reactions for people who want to sell. We see a lot of pressure for people to get rich. I want everybody to get rich. Just be patient, be careful, read the fundamentals. But all the things on the ground imply that Lucid Motors has that many billion-dollar mark of a company We know it's public. It's going to go somewhere. So what we do know is that Lucid Motors has $4.5 billion, multiple billions of dollars to play with for cash raised from its company to start manufacturing, to get that Lucid Air going by the end of this year, to hit the ground running. I think this is a really good sign for the stock price moving forward. As we get more numbers, I think this stock will consolidate, and I think we'll start to grow gradually with these trends. Once we see that these cars are coming out, we have the proof, and it has all the money going. We got a lot of pressure, so I think we got a lot of good medium and intermediate trends going forward for the company. This is an amazing car. If you guys haven't seen this car already, this is really riding the EV revolution here. It has state-of-the-art technology. It has some self-driving principles involved here, and amazing bells and whistles, meaning it has amazing gadgets, technology, and it's very sleek and sexy. So essentially, the driving class has a 500 mile per hour leading rechargeable energy battery, and this is 20 minutes for the rechargeable battery for around 300 miles. Oh my, that is a car right there. That's very impressive. That's competing with Tesla. So I think Lucid is what Tesla was like 10 years ago, but we have time to wait. I think you still have time to enter here. Just be patient here. We have hyper growth ingredients at play here. I think by the next few years in the 2020s, and most certainly by the 2030s, if everything goes well, knock on wood, I think we could see a like a $1 trillion company here. So if you guys are feeling inspired to invest in Webull and deposit $100 or more and get 2 free stocks up to $1,815. So full disclosure, I will get a free stock upon you signing up, but I personally love Webull. I use it myself. It has really good pre-morning hours of trading, early trading, really good graphs, news updates, and you get 2 free stocks for joining, so why not? The link is linked below, so get started investing. If not, keep learning, and yeah, let's continue with this video. So guys, so much has happened in the last 24 hours. I hope this brings some kind of solace to you with the idea of Lucid Motors moving forward. I know you guys want to make that bread and make that money. Just be patient. I think the stock's going to recover, so if you did buy when it was high yesterday, I think you can find some good re-entry points moving forward if you want to make some cash. My philosophy is like I would buy an amount, right, when it's lower, and then I would sell half when it hits a certain price strike, that price, and then keep the other half and add more during another dip and scale into it, which I'm doing right now. I'm being patient. I have a lot in the game. Just learn patience. I think it's going to pay off, Lucid Motors. And you're going to start to see some amazing things from this company. The car product is phenomenal itself. There's so much big league talent involved here. I think it can only go up from here, so stay tuned, stay patient, and God bless. I hope everything works out well, and let's hope for CCIV to move forward. Ciao.